This is an in-service training program presented by Nutrition Care Systems. Today's topic, two-stage cooling process. Upon completing this in-service, you will be able to, number 1, understand the definition of the two-stage cooling process, number 2, know the procedure for the two-stage cooling process, and number 3, discuss the proper ways to cool foods quickly. So what is really the two-stage cooling process? It's defined as moving a food product quickly through the danger zone because the most common cause of foodborne illness is improper cooling. So that's why you want to get the food product rapidly chilled. The most important method to protect customers from foodborne illnesses is to limit the time that food spends in that temperature danger zone. So we know the food is definitely going to go through that zone, but we want to make sure we get the food quickly through that so that we don't have any issues as far as foodborne illnesses. The proper procedure for two-stage cooling process is to cool foods within 2 hours from 135 degrees to 70 degrees Fahrenheit and within 4 hours from 70 degrees to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. If your ingredients are prepared at room temperature, you have to cool them to within 41 degrees within 4 hours. Proper ways to cool foods quickly. One would be to cool in pans less than 4 inches deep, preferably 2 inches deep, but never in like a big pot, big stock pot. Cut larger items such as roasts into quarters to speed up that cooling process. Make sure you cover foods lightly to allow heat to escape. Do not cover tightly. And then make sure to document time and temperature at the 2 and 4 hour intervals. If the temperature of 70 degrees or below has not been reached within those first 2 hours, the food has to be reheated and then attempt to cool it by a different method, or the product has to be discarded. Use an ice paddle or other equipment to stir the food. Use a rapid chill refrigeration equipment. Place the food in an ice bath, but under no circumstances leave food on the counter to cool. Take a short quiz on what you learned as far as the two-stage cooling process. During the two-stage cooling process, you must move food through the danger zone, A, slowly, B, quickly, C, however long it takes, or D, all of the above. So during the two-stage cooling process, you must move food through the danger zone, B, quickly. Move on to question number 2. Which of the following is not a proper way to cool foods quickly? A, place food in an ice bath. B, cut meats into smaller pieces. C, use a fan. Or D, cool in 4-inch pans, preferably 2-inch pans. The answer to question number 2, which of the following is not a proper way to cool foods quickly? And of course the answer is C. Using a fan is never appropriate, but it is appropriate to use ice bath, cut meats into smaller portions, and then use 4-inch or preferably 2-inch pans. Question number 3. Which of the following is never an appropriate practice? A, cover foods lightly. B, use rapid chill refrigeration. C, document time and temperature at 2 and 4 hour intervals. Or D, leave food on the counter to cool. And the answer to question number 3, which of the following is never an appropriate practice? Of course, you want to cover foods lightly. Rapid chill refrigeration is appropriate. Documenting time and temperature at 2 and 4 hour intervals, but never leave food on the counter to cool. Number 4. It's a true or false question. The most common cause of foodborne illness is improper cooling. And the answer is, of course, true. The most common cause is improper cooling. Question number 5, true or false? You do not need to label and date all food products. You only need to label and date meat items since they spoil more often than other foods. answer to question number 5, of course, is false, because all food products need to be labeled and dated. Thank you for your participation in today's program. Our goal is for you to use this information in your daily work. We hope you are well served today and every day. If you would like more information about our in-service programs or our consulting dietitian services, please contact us at Nutrition Care Systems, 1275 Davis Road, Suite 121, Elgin, Illinois, or visit us on the web at nutritioncaresystems.com.